One very important reminder, make sure when you step on this, when you walk on it, you be very careful because this stuff is slick and slippery, okay? You don't want to go down and think you're going to spread your legs or something and then not be careful and find out you're going to do the splits, you're going to fall down on your leg or your knee or your back or anything like that. Be safe rather than sorry. Man, you know what else you could use this stuff for? You could use it for a kite. You can make a kite out of this stuff. Or a slip and slide. Hey, how about that on your grass? Okay, so I can kind of see. Oh, where's my... Kind of gives me a little bit of a reference point. That looks pretty close. Okay, it doesn't have to be perfect. And then it's all about figuring out how to make this look halfway decent, huh? You can do it kind of like a Christmas wrapping, you know? Fold this, crease it, and then I can use that and fold it over, kind of like a gift, you know. And I think I'll do that, and I'll see how well that works. Like I say, it doesn't have to be perfect. I see where the corner is right here. Now I gotta do those corners. I guess I'll just slide it around, huh? Yeah. The corner out like that. Stuff creases up pretty nice. Here's my corner about right there. Like maybe something right in there. Okay. There. Wrap that there, and I can wrap that one over the same direction. Something like that. Might have to fold this in. What way you want. Make it work for you. Okay, so I'm going to get that kind of situated. Something like that. Okay? There's one side, now I gotta do the other side just like that. And get my string ready. Wrap it up and say good night. Now I know this is 2 feet wide. So if I put the string all the way around it, 2, 4, 6, 8 feet, and then to tie it, give myself, you know, another foot or actually another 2 feet, 10 feet. And I'll measure my string, cut 2 pieces at 10 feet, I guess. That way I can have one up here and one down there if I want. Or if you think you can get by with just one, just do one. Oh, that's really funny. That one piece that I was showing you, I pulled it out at the double length and it was almost 10 feet. So I cut it in half. And I'm going to tie this right around the corner, I think. It'd be easier if I had another set of hands, huh? Good grief. I might have to do this a couple times since I'm here by myself because I want it as nice and tight as I can get it. You know? So I'll mess with this for a little. Maybe I'll start it just with the bow right here. You know what I could even do? I could take some shipping tape and actually tape it. You know, maybe I'll do that before I tie it all. Here's my shipping tape. I think it's going to come off nice too, you know, later on down the road, let's say. Nobody's going to see that, and then I can just do that right like that. Got that. Whatever I want. I don't know how long this tape will last. Will it last all winter? I don't know. Maybe. Okay. Do that. Now I can do the other side just like that. There she be. I had it just tied once, like that, and I'm going to wrap it around one more time, like that, and I'm going to tie it in a knot, and I'm just going to make it snug. I'm not going to tie it too tight, because later on down the road, I can just undo the knot. This stuff is pliable enough to undo the knot, okay? There. That's never going to go anywhere. And I can cut this shorter now. I'm not going to leave it like that. I could tie a bow on it, whatever. But see, later on, at the end of winter, I just twizzle that tight, and then I can just push it through, and it will be fine. Okay? I'm going to tie it one more, and that's it. And I can cut it off here. Shall I cut it, or shall I put it in a bow? I tie it in a bow now. I can do whatever it is I want at this point. I think I'll just leave it And like I say, I don't think anything will happen to it. I want to make sure I can wrap it around a couple more times if I want. Now tie it in a knot again. Just like that. Okay, that's all I'm gonna do. Ta-da! And I can tie another one. I can tie another one down low if I want, and I have it. I have it here. Might as well do another one. Down low. I don't know if I really have to do another one. If you think you need to do one, by all means, do another one. That looks pretty good. Right in there. I'm just gonna flip it again. Easier for me to stand up and see what I'm doing here. Tying my knot. Try to keep it tight. Keep your thumb on there the whole time, just like tying a Christmas package, huh? Just like that. Okay. Be. I just winterized my compressor for the air conditioner for the winter. I could have pushed that up a little bit tighter there too. Make it straighter. But hey, how's that? Is that straighter for you? You like that better? Okay. That looks just fine. I got a couple of those to do. How's that look? That didn't take me very long, did it? And this tie back, after the winter, I can untie this, cut it off, untie it, whatever, and then I can roll up the tie back. I can mark it for this one, roll it up, fold it, whatever, leave it in storage until the next winter. Hey, this tie-back paper, that'll probably last longer than you'll be alive. Okay? You don't have to, after the winter's over, you don't have to throw that away and think, okay, I have to cut some more tie-back paper or anything. You don't have to do that. Okay? You can just use that same piece. I'm all about recycling, reusing stuff the best I can. All right, there you go. That was easy. That was very easy. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos. What am I going to show you next time? I have no idea. But I think you might learn something if you keep watching my channel.